Samsung Galaxy S4. It's got a cracked screen here. I don't know if you can see it. And he brought me his screen, a new screen. He had 2 of them, so he brought both of them. So this is the other one. And I opened it, opened the phone, I was about to fix this one, but then this bit here, this flex, it's too short on this. So, and this one has a long flex, so I couldn't fit it. So I told him it's different flexes and stuff. So this flex here is short, but on this one is like this long. I'll open it and show it to you. So I told him this flex is wrong. I'll have to take this screen off and put it on this one. Then what he told me was, okay, wait, I'll go home and get some more screens for you. He brought another 2 of these. Oh man, he had like 4 of these Samsung S4 screens. I don't know why he had 4 of these. This one seems to be working. I tested this. I haven't tested the other one. So to open up the S4, it's quite easy. It's removing the back and the battery comes off easily. After that, remove these memory card and the SIM card. Then remove all these screws. Okay. Once the screws are out, it's time to pry open this housing. Middle frame. It looks like a metal, but it's not metal, it's plastic. So just pry open like this, like this, like this, like this. Be careful on these buttons because there's a flex there, so it might break it. So once all the sides are pried open, there's a lock here. If you do this, it's gonna open up like this, and you can pull the housing out. So this is out, and then I can unplug the LCD flex and all of these. I don't have to remove these, but just in case. So remove these as well, and these as well, and the headphone jack. And there's a screw that's holding the motherboard to the housing. Remove that as well, and this comes off very easily. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted to show it. So yeah, this is the one that has a very long flex, and this one is like short. So I'd have to replace this to that one. And I got a screen. So this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this, put this one in there. Clever, huh? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So to remove this, I need to warm this up and slowly pry it open. Let me remove these first. So yeah, this is okay now. Just gonna heat it up and I'm gonna pull it out slowly. So on this one, the only thing I need to preserve is the flex that's connecting them. That's the only thing I need to preserve. I don't want to break it. So it comes off like this. Oh, this was already removed. That's why it's so easy to come off. This was replaced. Okay, I just need to clean this up and I'm gonna put the other one back in. Simple. So just quickly clean this up. So this needs to go in there. Let me try it, see if there's anything wrong with the LCD or not. So yeah, let's see. I hope everything's okay. Okay, turned on. Let me get the glue. Okay, it seems fine. The home button seems to be working as well. Let me just quickly turn it off and put it back. Yeah. Oh, this is good. I'm gonna put this double-sided tape on it and then put this on and then put that one on. So let's do it. Let's begin putting glue on this. So this, I'm gonna do it from the edge like this. Let me put one in the middle as well, just in case. Don't forget this bit. It's very important. So once that is done, I'm gonna put some of this glue and cover it up, and it's gonna be okay. Okay, it's all good. Now let's remove the double-sided tape. So let's not forget about this as well. Okay, now it's just to put this back in and wait for it to dry. Okay, so since I put the double-sided tape, I would not be worrying about it for a while, so I need to do this quickly as soon as possible and put a rubber band on it as quick as possible. So let's just put this back in, and don't forget this goes in as well, goes in like this. Where's the earpiece? So it goes in there, and comes the motherboard. So this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue everything and then put rubber band on it. So I'm just gonna have to do everything now. Okay, so all is well. Let's just screw this back. So this is the last bit that goes at the back. Everything okay? Yeah, everything's good. So let's quickly screw all of these, and then I can put a rubber band around it. It's gonna stick there nicely. So this is a old style screen replacement which I used to do long times ago. I haven't done this for a very long time. So let's just put it back, turn it on, and then I'm gonna rubber band it. No, this are not going in properly. This does not seem okay, man. It's just that the antenna wire might have moved from its place. It's not sitting on the place where it's supposed to sit. So it's just moved a little bit. This is much better now. Okay, this is all done. It was a old style screen replacement, and this was a success. So this is all done. This is how I replaced the LCD. I was meant to place this bit, which should have been done in like less than 15 minutes. This took me a while. So yeah, this is all done. This is how I do this. There's a lot of ways to do these kind of things. This is how I do it. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for your time. And if there's any suggestions or any compliments that you want to give to me, please don't hesitate to comment on the comment box, and I'm always ready to listen to you. I'm always ready to help everybody, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.